Error logs are not useful if you don't know about them. That's why with Loupe Server, we have included a robust notification system. Let's give it a spin. I'll go to the user menu and click Your Settings. Here, I can create some new log notifications for latest events, unique events, or issues. I'm going to make a notification for latest events on my application. Now, I get to pick the parameters for my notification. This will help me reduce needless email spam and ensure I get notifications for properties I am responsible for. For this specific notification, I'm going to leave the settings broad, as I know the application only has one user and only one computer. All that's left to do is wait for any notifications. That isn't good. Looks like the latest session from my application had some errors. Let's open up the email and check it out. The notification email itself will show me the top level details for the event and a session summary. I can see in the summary that the session ended in a crash, so I better view the event now. Here, I can see the error details, the specific occurrence that triggered the notification, and browse other occurrences of the event as well. But what I'm interested in doing is creating an issue for the event. When creating an issue, I can assign it to a team member, create a description, add any notes I may have, and even add a workaround if I have one. Once I've filled out everything I can, I'll create the issue, and Loupe will send out a notification to any assigned team members. Issue notifications will take the users right to the assigned issue, and are automatically sent on creation, resolution, and reactivation. Thanks to Loupe, my team could stay informed, not overloaded.